The municipality of Arbus is one of Sardinia's vastest and most diversified. Its territory is a constant alternation of wonderful surprises, an extended descent towards the blue sea. The town itself is nestled in the hills and maintains the configuration of mountain communities in its older section, with narrow twisted lanes that branch out of a single main road on which the most important buildings and monuments stand. Chiesa di San Sebastiano, Church of Saint Sebastian, the Montegranatico, and the Museo del Coltello Sardo, Museum of Sardinian Knives. The village street leads towards the sea, acting as its sentry in the peak of Arcuentu, a large volcanic cone-shaped mountain that accompanies it towards the blue of the sea resorts. There are 46 kilometers of coastline that feature both rocky walls and splendid strips of white and gold sand, small inlets and mountains of sand covered with plants, as well as authentic coastal deserts like the dunes of Piscinas, a natural oasis of great charm. In the vicinity of these coasts, there are imposing buildings of great elegance that bear witness to a mining tradition of the past of great relevance. Mining wells like Pozzo Gal, the Lavaria di Naracauli, washhouse, the Chiesetta di Santa Barbara, Chapel of St. Barbara, the Palazzo della Direzione ad Ingurtosu, administration building, Il Pozzo Amsicora, Amsicora mining well, La Foresteria, forestry department, and the Museo Mineralogico a Montevecchio, the Mineral Museum of Montevecchio.